Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call today, Wednesday, the 22nd of June. All right, looking at yesterday's markets, we had data being released from Canada. We saw the retail sales number come in at 1.3%. That was much higher than the forecasted of 0.5%, and consequently, there was quite a lot of strength for the Canadian dollar yesterday. That's pretty much all that's happened in terms of data. So let's move along. Now, what I'd like to do first is I just want to recap on a couple of charts that I've shown. I'll have a look at yesterday's chart and one that I showed last week. The first one was the Canadian yen. I showed this one last week at some time. Just go back and have a recap. I can't recall exactly which day. Where basically I've said we are in an uptrend and we were looking for a peak, a pullback, get some kind of confirmation, and then continue into the trend. Now that consequently happened. That was my confirmation, these two candles there, and we triggered a trade at that level there where I'm just highlighting for you. Now what happened thereafter is as follows. We saw the candles basically push up and we've made a nice little profit on that one. So how far this one will go, just I'm not sure, but definitely at that point there might be some kind of resistance. So I just wanted to highlight that for you, so to which point you may want to do some profit collection. Okay, so that was the Canadian yen. Let me move along. Yesterday I showed you a US CAD trade where I said there's a possibility of a double top, and we had, when I showed it to you yesterday, we had already got the confirmation in the way of those two candles of a reversal pattern. So our entry point was roughly around about there where I'm marking it right now, and consequently this is what happened on this morning's chart. We can see that the market has definitely already moved significantly in our favor. So again, with this one, just to check your risk parameters as to where you want to have some profit collection, or you may already be out of this trade already. With this particular case, there's still a bit of room here. So look, if it behaved, somewhere around about here would be sort of an acceptable level, but always measure it based on your original risk decision, which was whatever your trading plan would have said. All right, so there you have it. So that was two good trades, successful trades that we had this week and last week. So I just wanted to recap on those. All right, let's move along. And what is the chart of the day for this morning? This morning I am looking at a 4-hour chart, so just please bear in mind it's a 4-hour chart, and it is the euro yen. This one's got the potential of becoming a double top. We've already seen that the market has come off that level. We are very, very close to this level again. What I want to look for is I want to see some kind of confirmation that the market has come, showing me signs of reversal, so then I can attempt the trade down. Because remember, it's not a double top until it actually comes down, because this could very well just continue to go up. So if we took the trade right now, it does not make sense to take the trade. Okay, so you need to wait for that reversal pattern to occur first, and then at that point we can attempt to double the top trade down. So don't forget also, this one is a 4-hour chart, so it could trigger later this afternoon. So just keep an eye on it, add it to your watch list. Euro yen 4-hour time frame is our chart of the day this morning. All right, what is on the agenda for the session which is about to kick off? We have at 4 o'clock this afternoon from the UK, we have CPI numbers which are due out. At 10:30 we have from Canada also CPI numbers, and finally also at 11:30 from the US we have Fed Chair Powell is due to testify. That pretty much wraps up the card for today's trading session. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. You can also follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll speak to you tomorrow for the Daily Call. Bye for now.